Beloved friends, family and guests, we gather here today to witness the spiritual joining of two wonderful people who just a few years ago met, fell in love, and now are asking us all to witness and participate in the union of their families and their bodies and souls and hearts in the eternal bond of matrimony.
Craig, well, it's here, a day 2,204 days in the making, and we're here. While we're both pretty word savvy when it comes to cards, I don't think words could truly capture the absolute joy and exhilaration I'm feeling.
We're all here to celebrate a wonderful, life-changing union of two young people who will forever enhance each other's lives together. They're here to celebrate the rare twist of fate that found Lauren and Craig at the time they met, looking for something more in their lives.
My gorgeous bride on our wedding day. Can you believe that we're getting freaking married? Holy guacamole. It feels so surreal that this day of our dreams is finally here. After all the planning and extra love you put into every little detail of the wedding, I am so pumped to see that all the hard work you put in has come to fruition on a day for the books. I knew we had a special kind of connection from the first night I met you. We just had this unspoken, undeniable chemistry.
Oh, that's awesome. This is one thing that we actually wanted to do.
You are the love of my life, and you make me such a better person every day. We've had so many amazing times together over the past 6+ years. They were, without question, the best years of my life. You complete me in every way, and I'm lucky to call you my wife and partner in life.
Today, on this beautiful day in New York State, you'll be exchanging your wedding vows and expressing in words and thoughts to everyone present here today your feelings for each other. Craig, don't ever forget, Lauren is a sweet, sensitive, creative woman who will love you, support you, and always have your back. You're marrying your best friend, and there's nothing better than that. Lauren, I know how special a person you are. As a kid, your mischievous and radiant smile, your charming and engaging personality, and those beautiful blue eyes help make you the lovable and amazing person you are today. I've only known Craig for a few years, but what I've seen, he's a very impressive young lad. I believe he will love and protect you and be a great provider, a loyal friend, and a great husband. His talents, work ethic, grit, and determination will serve you both well. So by the powers reluctantly vested in me by the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Craig Junda, and the moment we've all been waiting for, the first kiss.
I love you unconditionally, and I can't wait to see how stunningly gorgeous you look in that dress. You're the most beautiful girl in the whole world, inside and out. Never forget that.
Your voice is my favorite sound, because I love how you value our differences as much as our common ground, because I never want to stop making memories with you, because you're my favorite place to go when my mind searches for peace. When you are at your darkest, you find a way to be my light, because I could start fires with what I feel for you, because the entire universe conspired to help me find you, because the happiest I've ever felt was the moment I discovered you loved me too.
Thanks for always being there for me through all the ups and downs, no matter what. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I can't wait to spend forever adventuring with you. From all the hikes, crazy encounters with bears and wolves, trips exploring other countries, and sharing a love for the game of hockey. We always have a kick-ass time together. I love you so much, Lore.